Okay, welcome to my first video. How is your day going? Today I'm going to be learning you how to make a app or program using Python scripts. Now I'm going to Python edu, and you can be using any coding software, just have to be using Python. Okay, so we are making this with Kivy. Kivy is an app and program maker. So to get Kivy into your thing, so here I'm going to my terminal, I'm going to my local, just have to let everything load, and then we're going to write pip terminal, okay, pip install kivy. Now I already have kivy installed, but you want to press enter, and then it will install for you, and then you can start. So let's shut down the terminal tab, and first we're going to write from kivy dot import app. So you're telling Kivy we're making an app, so please import everything that you have from your app. And then let's write from kivy.uix.label. UIX is basically a library, so where they store everything, which you can use in your code. Import label. So label, we're going to make a label. We'll see why later. Okay, now you want to go to the fourth line, and then you want to write class MyApp. Remember to make the M and the capital, and then you want to write in brackets. So okay, we're gonna use the app in my script. Okay, you're gonna use the 2 dots and press enter. Okay, so now we're gonna write def build self. Oh, it already came. So it already came right. So def build self. So we're making this ourselves. We're coding this ourselves. So now we want to write return label. Oh my god, sorry. So now we're telling, okay, we're going to be using label now. So return label, then in brackets you write text equals, and then you can either use these, but I'm using these, hello world. So hello world is basically, you can write something different, but hello world is showing like hello world. Okay, so now you want to go to the 8th line, and this is pretty hard code script, so it will be in the description to copy. So you want to write underscore name underscore equals, and you want to have your quotation marks, and then space underscore name underscore space. Then you want to write the 2 dots, and then you want to write my app and brackets, and then you want to write, so you don't have to write anything in brackets, and then you want to write dot run, and then brackets again. I hope I didn't make any mistakes, and let's see if I did. So I'm going to run it. It's red, but it's telling you, but it's not showing up for me for some reason. It will be a black screen, and it will say hello world wrote here. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you will have a nice day, or are having a nice day, and please make sure to like if this helped you. Bye.